Well, I was looking for a bag of red potatoes. The bag of red potatoes that I was looking for, they had sat in the cabinet in the pantry, and they had little growths on them. Looked like a bunch of little tiny potatoes growing on them. And I'd set them aside because I figured I'd just take those and bury them, let them grow little potatoes. But I went to look for them. I can't find them anywhere. Although I did find a bag of toilet paper rolls and things like that. And I did find a bucket full of coffee grounds. And this box was in the shed. That's cardboard. It does have some potatoes in there. Oh, yuck. This one's yacked out, huh? I really don't think that was the bag of potatoes. It says red, well, whatever. God, I hope that wasn't it. Look at that, that's horrible. Yeah, but anyway, I figured it was time to put these. Uh-oh. That right there's a brown recluse. Oh, I hate those things. Look at the spiders. Definitely a brown recluse right there. God. Yeah, I gotta be really careful. Good, he's in there. Squish him. Ah, okay. Did I squish him? Oh no, he fell down in there somewhere. But still, it's scary, huh? But anyway, these potatoes that I had set aside are all yacked out. So these are going into compost. So I'm sure there's more little spiders down there. I don't want to get bit. Hey, there's one. Ha! I got one! Oh my God. Yeah, see, this is what happens when you leave your potatoes sitting around. They go to yak. Look at that. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Look at that little spider. But there's one right there. Out of all this bunch, I think I got one. I'm going to take that one and sit him aside. Okay. I got one red tater. Mr. Red Tater, I'm going to celebrate you. I think I'm going to have a twisted tea and do a little dance and do my tater. Pray from a tater. These over here, these things are just absolutely shot. I'm afraid to touch this. I'm going to leave it sitting for a little while. And then I'll come back here and just add all that to my compost. Even the cardboard. Not the, the plastics or the styrofoam. But all that will go into my compost pile. I don't think that bag of red potatoes was their bag of red potatoes that I thought I brought out, but it might be. Sometimes they just go bad that quick. And I'm talking about a week or two. Well, darn. Anyway, it'd be good to just put them in my compost. Let them do their thing. But anyway, I've got a few things to do today, and I guess you can tell I've kind of worked with the compost a little bit more. Kind of dug some of this out and put it over on that one. And I'm looking for, I might use that red bucket there. I don't want to poke holes in the bottom of it though. I'll find me another bucket or something, and I'm going to get some compost, some of this compost that thing's already growing in. Put it in that bucket with some of that composted cow manure. Yeah, that'll be a pretty little tomato to put in my little greenhouse. All right, well, I guess that's an update on what I'm doing with my with my compost. I always save these things from paper towels and toilet paper. I always save coffee grounds and any kind of bits of cardboard and any kind of potatoes that might be going bad. And I always add them to my compost. So, okay, well, wish me luck on my compost and my gardens. And I'll talk to you later, alligators.